Hi friends, in this video we are going to learn how to search a node in a simply linked list. So we have a simply linked list with 4 nodes with values 10, 20, 30 and 40, and this is the code to implement the program. The function search node will be doing the search operation and returns the result of the search. We are passing the head of the linked list and the key to be searched into the function. First, the address of the head node, which is 1024 here, is stored in temp. Now this while loop is used to traverse and check if the node is the key. If the key is found, then the function returns 1, and if the key is not found, then it returns -1. Here we are searching for element 30. So key equal to 30 here. First we check if temp, which is pointing to head, is null. If it is null, it means we have reached the end of the linked list and it does not enter the while loop. Here temp equal to 1024, which is not equal to null. So enter the loop. Now check if the data at address 1024 is the key. So compare 10 with 30, but it is not the same. So if condition is failed, so jump to the next statement. Temp equal to temp next. Now temp will be holding the next node address, which is 2024. So temp now points to the second node. Again the while condition is checked. Temp equal to 2024, which is not equal to null. So enter the loop. Now compare 20 with 30. But it's not the same value, so if condition again failed. So it jumps to the next statement. And temp will now point to the next node at 3024. Now again check if temp has become null. No. So enter the while loop. Check if data at 3024 is equal to the key. So compare the data 30 with the key 30. Both are the same. So if condition is true here, so it will return 1, which means key is found. So this is how it is working. Now let us see another case where search key is not found. So let the key to be searched be 100. First the head address, which is 1024 here, is stored in temp. And we have the while condition, temp not equal to null. And temp is 1024 here, which is not equal to null. So enter the loop. Now check if the data at address 1024 is the key. So compare 10 with 100, but the comparison returns a false. So if condition fails, so jump to the next statement. Temp equal to temp next. Now temp will be holding the next node address, which is 2024. So temp now points to the second node. Now again we have temp equal to 2024, which is not equal to null. So while condition is true, so enter the loop. And check if node 2 is holding 100. But the comparison is returning a false and the if condition failed. So temp will now point to the next node at 3024. Again check the while condition. 3024 is not equal to null, so enter the loop. Compare the data at 3024 with the key. But we have 30 and the key is 100, which are not same. So if condition failed again. And temp will now point to the next node at 4024. Again check the while condition. 4024 is not equal to null, so enter the loop. And compare 40 with 100. It is not the same. So if condition failed again, and temp equal to temp next. What is the next value of node 4? It is null. So null will be stored in the temp. Now we have the while condition again, but we have temp equal to null. So the while condition is failed and it will return -1, which means the key is not found. So that's it. Now let us talk about the time complexity. The best case is when the search key is present in the first node itself. So while loop need to execute only once, so the best case time complexity will be order of 1. The worst case is when the search key is present in the last node. So while loop will work n times if you have n nodes. So the worst case time complexity will be order of n.